Chairman of Legal Department of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) Sanojam Samcharan has ridiculed the statement of PHED Minister L. Sushindro on Congress manifesto, while also raising doubt on the ability of the minister to comprehend things. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today, Shamcharan alleged that Minister Sushindro has misread the Congress manifesto. He clarified that the Congress manifesto only mentioned that the party will work for bringing a political and administrative settlement which are satisfactory to all communities. It also promised to appoint a reconciliation commission to restore peace and normalcy in the state. While taking a dig on the wig of Minister Sushindro, Shamcharan condemned the statement of Minister Sushindro, who had allegedly claimed that MP Bimola Koijam ran his election campaign by bribing media channels. While also mocking the Char So Par slogan of BJP during the election campaign, Shamcharan had asked BJP forgotten to buy off media channels to achieve their target.
Manipur Thugaina Bugida Congress Party na manifesto the Yaw Hey Haina Hek Hai. Masimuna Arthur Kandabat Natraga, Pavada, Lokshan Bahitabugi Wapam Mali, Narang statement Pumbigiba, press beeping to Bigiba Mantri Masamak Shishu, Budi Lokshin, Mangal Karawatpa, like Shugi Mangal Karawatpa Gumbagi, Mawung the Utopiri, contains Adugi Manung the Yawbachi, Man Haididi. The situation in Manipur has gone from bad to worse. Mayapunam Kambire. Bed Hibase, Ahubanate Pate Hibani, or say Amu Hena Pate Hibani, Asiruba Henjan Patrabache Congress now, Yokokani, Praza Jati, Kuntram, Na Kutrataru, Achina Yana Raba, Wapam Karada, Reconcilate Tauraga, Shanti Portney Hibasi, I could give manifesto the Yaw of Wapam Manel. Masidesida, Ikai Komnajariba, Ibumo Mantri, Congress Party manifesto the Yaw Riba Poto, Maduda Equina Tajabat Amaga. Political settlement amagi makada political goal of socio economic oiraknaba honabirakani haibagi aikoi thajaban lei haibanaba aikoi socio economic amusu political goal asida sida praja purnamang yanaraga pigani haibudo pibiu haibanaba